It's Monday morning again. Your planner walks in the factory. Another day, more fires to put out. Bottlenecks, last-minute changes. It is too late to think, and time is running out. An executive walks in the factory. Operation on hold. Orders delayed, and money drains while machines, equipments, and staff sit idle. You know these stories, you're living it. Because fortune-telling isn't just fantasy, it is now your job description. And the tools you're using, they're part of the problem. Spreadsheets fail under constant changes. Legacy planning tools, rigid, slow, take too much effort. We need a new way of planning, built for a world where change is the constant, built around real-life constraints of availability, capacity, capability, and accessibility. That's why we created Planeus, an industry-proven new generation planning and control system, designed to bring operations to your desired goals under complex, real-world conditions, with generative, dynamic Gantt charts that interact in real time, predictive dashboards that forecast and qualify your future, robust what-if simulations to test changes before taking actions, and an exception-driven, automated conflict radar, so you only need to react when there's an upcoming planned deviation. Planeus also provides 2 optional innovative built-in shop floor interfaces for the smoothest workflow between job planning and task execution. Whether you're planning upcoming productions, testing processes, or complex operations, Planeus gives you clarity when complexity hits, so you can move faster, plan smarter, prevent sooner, and see what's ahead. Visit the Planeus website now and learn how it turns planning from aimless struggles to your strategic advantage.